am aware of Allama Dilawar Hussain Saidi, Inna Lillahi wa Inna Ilaihi Raji'un, and I got the information a few days earlier that he passed away. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant him Jannat al-Firdaus. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala raise his level to the highest level of Jannah. And I'm aware that he was one of the popular dais of Bangladesh. And I'm aware that he was arrested many years ago, and he was first given the verdict of to be hanged, and then later there was protest in which many people died. So they changed the verdict from hanging, giving him punishment of death, to life imprisonment. And there are many people in many parts of the world, unfortunately many Muslim countries, that the religious people are being arrested, for political reasons. And one of them was Allama Dilawar Hussain Saidi. And a couple of weeks earlier, his son had come to meet me. He had come earlier also in Malaysia, but a couple of weeks earlier, he had come to meet me, and he gave the translation of his father that he had done in Bengali, his book. And I told him to convey my salams to him when he meets him. And unfortunately, this happened a few weeks earlier, and we heard that he has expired. And it's happening that now we see that there are many of the great du'ats and great scholars, they're passing away, and it's a loss to the Muslim Ummah. And we know that he had done great work in spreading the message of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may He give him the highest level in Jannah, and may He give him a place close to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the Anbiyas and the Khulafa Rashidin and the Sahabas. Ameen.